Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today I'm gonna break down some numbers for you guys, show you guys exactly how to make $1 million. Okay, some of these numbers will be a little over a million, but a simple way to make $1 million, and it's really thinking in small terms. Don't think in big terms, knocking it out of the park with a home run. Okay, so to make $1 million, of course, you would need to sell a product that's $1 million if you only want one sale. Of course, not a lot of us is going to do that. I'm not a millionaire, so I don't want you guys to take it as that. I do make money online, but I'm not a millionaire. Okay, I have not hit a million yet. All right, so there are billions of people out there to talk to. As long as you keep the numbers and know your numbers, okay, you will be okay. Just get a product, okay? Rather you buy it from me, from someone else. Just get a product to get started, to be out there. All right, so I'm gonna break down the numbers for you guys real quick. As you guys can see, I have them written down here in Word. I did get some of these numbers, of course, by looking at other posts, and it just makes sense, right? So to make $1 million, you would need 5,000 people to buy a $200 product. Okay, that's one time. Or you would need 2,000 people to buy a $500 product. You would need 1,000 people to buy a $1,000 product. You would need 500 people to buy a $2,000 product. You would need 300 people to buy a $3,333 product. Okay, so this is to break it down in one-time buys. Okay, I have something in the first three levels, okay, of making $1,000. So I don't have a product that's $2,000, $3,000 plus. Okay, so I stick to these right here. Now, on a monthly basis, okay, so there's a lot of people that get involved in programs, but a lot of times they only stay a few months. If they're not making any money and it's not really working out paying for them, then they only stay in like 3 months. And this is why I really like the passive income, and I like the one-time products as well, instant cash programs. All right, so I will be showing you guys some of the things I actually do on my website, okay, online, okay, and I have some other things I haven't posted on there, but also some things offline that are very lucrative. Now, on a monthly basis, you can get 5,000 people to pay a $17 per month, or pay $17 per month in a program or product, okay? So get a product where you can actually collect at least $17 a month, but that would take at least 5,000 people, all right, to make $1 million. And that would have to be for 12 months. Now, to get 2,000 people, of course, you would need a $42 product, okay? And you can just follow the numbers here. 1,000 people to pay $83 a month. You would need 500 people to pay $167 per month, or 300 people to pay $278 per month. This right here could be very difficult if you don't have a product that actually fits the needs of a lot of people. Okay, so at $278 a month, I would say average person for a program is paying about $100 a month. Okay, $150 a month. So I haven't seen anything to where you pay $278 a month yet, or I haven't been involved in anything that you pay that on. Now, like I said before, when people are paying a monthly subscription, if they're just using it to make money, 9 times out of 10 they will leave within 3 months. If they are using a product that they actually love, then of course they're going to continue to pay that. This is why I say it's very important to get in something that you believe in. Okay, so now I want to go over here to my website, because I will have this posted on my website as well. As you guys can see, work from home with joshjoyner.net, also paywithjosh.com. All right, I'm involved in several programs. This is very simple. I want to go through one more thing after this, just to show you guys how you can reach people. Okay, so we have here, I have the $250 product, okay, and I showed you how many you actually have to sell. I'm gonna go back over here to Word real quick. Okay, I was saying a $200 product, I would need 5,000 people. Okay, so I do have a $250 product, which I would need less than 5,000 people. All right, I do have a $1,000 product. Okay, now with a $1,000 product, of course, as I showed you before, I would need 1,000 people, which is not hard. I'm going to reach that 1,000 people. Okay, it may take me a little time, but I will reach that 1,000 people because I have a product where there's 4 different levels: $100, $250, $500, and $1,000 per sign up. Now, everybody that comes in at that $100 level, of course, eventually will upgrade for the difference. That's just one of the programs I'm involved in. Now, I have some residual programs, some that pay monthly as well. Okay, they're just not at these levels, but at least over the $17 a month. So I would need a little less than 5,000 people. So that's just a real quick breakdown on how to make $1 million and kind of stay in tune with your numbers. Now I want to go over to one more thing. I want to show you guys real quick one of the ways I actually advertise. Let's just go to a new tab. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys just one of the ways I actually advertise, which is YouTube. Now, guys, there are billions of people that use YouTube. People will find this video, they will find out what I'm doing, and they would want to get involved. So I'm gonna go to one of the channels that I used to follow back in the day. Let me see. I'm gonna just show you guys, and you can pretty much do a video about anything as long as you are passionate about that. You see, Chris Smooth. All right, so I'm gonna go to one of the channels I actually used to follow. Okay, now just thinking of this guy. Of course, I'm pretty sure he's monetizing and everything, but I'm just giving you guys a quick example. Here's a gamer right here. This guy has over 4 million subscribers. All right, and I want you guys to keep this in mind. This is why YouTube is big, Instagram is big, Facebook is big, Snapchat is big. Okay, just being passionate about something, building the following around that, and then monetizing that. All right, so Chris, move up. Over 4 million subscribers. Okay, this is his one channel. All right, so this guy just does videos about gaming. Okay, about 2K was his biggest game that he was doing, and he built a subscribers list of over 4 million. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Here's Google, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Really simple. Something I'm gonna start doing, or something that I've been doing for the last several weeks, is building a not subscribers list, but building a following around a vehicle that I'm very passionate about. So you can build a following around anything and then monetize that following into income. All right, guys, that's my time. If you got any value out of this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and click on the link in the description below if you need to get on the website and look at a few things that I actually do. Until the next video, make it a great day.